Oh, and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how to replace this Ford DURATEC engine's spark plugs. And let's continue. Okay, and this first step is to remove this plastic cover. What is this cover, and that part opens easily when I only lift that up. And there is 1, 2 and 3 those locking positions. Okay, and now this cover is free, and then we can look these spark plug cables, that how we can open those parts away. Okay, and then I can take this cable away with my fingers. I pull out that cable, and then I need this right side socket, and this socket is 16 millimeter, this size. And let's look closer this socket. Okay, and there is 16 millimeter, 1/6 is the socket size, and it looks like that. And then we install this our tool in here in this way, and then we open that spark plug. Okay, and there we have 2 opening tools, and I use now this longer tool, and the spark plug opens in this way, in here. And then I can rotate with my hands. Okay, and here is this spark plug in my hand. And then we need to purchase just similar spark plug what is in our engine. And let's go to look that closer. Okay, and here we have this closer view, and there's important to first check that what is maker. This is double platinum, and maker is Bosch. And then this spark plug code is in here, in that area, in this stamp in here. And we need to purchase just similar spark plug than this old one. Okay, good. And then we can install this new spark plug back. Okay, and then this spark plug installation back, we take that socket, and then we install that spark plug in here, and carefully we install that directly in here. And firstly we rotate this carefully with our hands, and if there is any resistance we reverse, but normally we can rotate like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 7 to 10 turns, and then this stops. And then we use our wrench, and this is this close rotation, and then we need this torch wrench tool, because if we can use our hands, or if we have shorter this tool we can use our hands, but torch wrench tool is better. And then I take this tool in this work. Okay, and then we need this torch wrench tool, and this force is now 15 Newton meters, and I set up this force in there 15. You can Now there is third. There's 10. 14. And now there's 15. 1, 5, and this is set button. And now there is 1, 5. Then I can replace these tools. There is my socket. And then when this tool says this beep sound, we have enough this. Okay, now it says that I have right amount of force in here. Okay, and now this first spark plug, it has been installed, and then I install this cable back, and it is important to press totally down in that way. And let's look closer at this final press. Okay, and now this final part is that I need to press that totally down in same place. Okay, good. Now this job is first spark plug is ready, and then I can do the same to all another spark plugs. Good.